These are some more elevators at Macy on Straight Street. These might be services. Oh wow, look at that. Didn't say anything about this being a service though. Look at that indicator. I think that's Haughton. Your COP, 2,500 pound capacity. Adams decorator, designer buttons. Jeez, I always get those mixed up. No. 88 phone. Look at this cab. Completely original. Here are 1. Let's go to 7. Let's go to 4 too. What the hell is this open? Oh, these are popping. I don't know if I don't think, but we'll just go back up. They didn't say anything on the 7th floor. Look at that indicator. That is really, really cool. Or it's 7. Just curious, is 13 unlocked? Nope. The other one was actually on 13, surprisingly. Weird set. Oh wow, you could see a light up there. These ones are hidden. Yeah, these are Haughtons. There it goes, and